Christmas is coming now, New Year is coming now. Eat everything. Eat everything.
Saying Christmas is coming now, New Year is coming now. Eat everything. Eat everything. Enjoy. This is your life, bro. Just eat everything. Christmas is coming. Merry Christmas in advance. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
It is your choice.
Oh, it is your choice. 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 Yo, what's up, Khasi people? Shillong, North, East, West. You're all the best. Megalia love from Africa. In case this is your first time, kren, Gabs, Gabi. Yeah, and today I got a suggested music, guys. I don't know who is the singer, but they told me just react to it, that you people will love it. I don't know if you will love it because they say it is a hit song and it's a trend song, guys. So I just want to check it with you guys. In case you don't love it, I'm really sorry, but it's a highly requested, recommended video, guys. Thank you so much for all the support so far to my channel. Love from Africa, guys. Recently I was in Meghalaya, explored Meghalaya, I enjoy Meghalaya. I ate Jadli, Jado, I ate Trumbai, so many food. I got a lot of gift. You can see there a lot of cultural, traditional things I experienced. Love you all. I can't express that, but just go in my channel. You will watch all the vlogs. Oh my gosh. Let's dance now. It's time to dance. Thank you so much. Subscribe now. Let's go.
Indonesia, Malaysia, in the European country, Asian country, they even eat snake.
Yes.
There's no restriction.
Indonesia,
Rat,
Malaysia,
insect,
they eat
scorpion,
snake.
they eat.
Rat, snake. That's true. That's very true. I support that.
Here in
Asian
Meghalaya,
country,
we
they
can
eat that. In Meghalaya, we eat rat.
Scorpion. It is your choice.
He's saying here in Meghalaya, we can eat snake, you can eat rat, you can eat scorpion. It is your choice. Yeah, sure. It is your choice. Yeah, it is your choice. It is your choice. Yeah, it is your. You can eat rat. You can eat.
It's your choice.
Yeah, it is your choice.
You can eat snake.
Yes.
You can eat rat.
Yes. It's your choice. It's your choice to eat what you want, bro. It's very right. What you want. It is your choice. It is. You can eat rat. You can eat anything.
Here is BJP Sanbor. I prepare already to eat scorpion 1 power, eat insect 1 power. I used to eat dog when I'm young. You can eat snake, eat
You
scorpion,
can eat rat. You can eat whatever you want. You can eat whatever.
Eat scorpion, insect, whatever. We can eat whatever. We can eat whatever.
Who is this guy? Who is he? Who is he, man?
Christmas is coming now, New Year is coming now. Eat everything. Eat everything.
Saying Christmas is coming now, New Year is coming now. Eat everything. Eat everything. Enjoy. This is your life, bro. Just eat everything. Christmas is coming. Merry Christmas in advance. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
It is your choice.
Oh, it is your choice. 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 Yeah.
It's your choice.
It's your choice. This will be a party song. This will be a hit song. You can eat that. You can eat everything. It is your choice.
We can
Whatever you wish. You can eat that. From where they got this dance? It is your choice. It is your choice. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. You know what is crazy about this? Just who made this song? This is the first question I want to know. And secondly, who is this guy? Because I think he's someone famous and known in Meghalaya. If not, they won't remix and make this song to go that viral. You can tell me, guys, but Bro, whoever made this song, what do you want? What? It is your choice. I know it is your choice, but it is not your choice to make this song, brother. Now this song is gonna be a trending song, and I know how Meghalaya Khasi people love music. So definitely in every crazy party they are gonna play this song. And believe me, within 1 to 2 months, 6 months, this song is gonna be viral. I don't know if this guy he listened to this song, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, I love Meghalaya. I love Khasi people. You know what exactly what this guy is saying. It is your choice. This is what I see in Meghalaya. Like for sure, I see the freedom of living in Meghalaya, guys. And though there is that freedom of living, is still like people are cooperating. You can see how they are cooperating with the government. Like, yeah, it's okay to say there is a crime, but you know that also there is a crime in every state in India and in every country in this world. But Meghalaya is so lovely, guys. People are really so cooperating with the government. Like, you can see people how like they're really taking their country, their state. They really love their state, guys, and they are respecting and following most of the rules I saw. Like for example, in Meghalaya, people follow the driving. When this is one thing I love about the Meghalaya people. When it comes to the driving rules, guys, like there is some places said like no turn, one way, like that. You know, there is rule of those traffic rule like that. Huh? Even if how much is the traffic like this, and you will see the other road is empty, no one is going to take it because it is not your road. But it's not like any other state, because I've been to so many other states in India, guys. Driving is so crazy there, and it's so noisy. Just try to visit any other state in India. When they drive, guys, oh my god, you will get headache of horn only. But in Meghalaya, you will not hear that much of horn. And the city, the place is so clean. I love it. That's why it is your choice to eat what you want. But I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. I love Shillong. I love Meghalaya, guys. Like, people are so simple. People are so nice, beautiful people. It doesn't matter if people eat snake, scorpion. If it was something bad, then other Asian country would have banned that, right? China also eat almost everything. You all know that, right? But they're still living, and they are consuming that. So it is your choice. You want to eat snake, you want to eat rat, it is your choice. That's your freedom, man. Thank you so much. Love you all. Kublai Shibon. Till next time, guys. I'm reacting to this song not to promote hate or anything. It's just for fun. I also want to enjoy, making reaction video is so boring. So we want a song that will make you dance, make you choose, because it is my choice. And it is your choice either to watch, either to eat snake, either to eat rat. It is your choice. Love you all. Kublai Shibon. Till next time.